Hi y'all! Welcome back to my channel, At Home with Nancy. If you're new here, At Home with Nancy is all about interior decor, beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and all things fancy. And if that's something you're interested in, please hit the subscribe button so y'all could join the most high gang. And do not forget to hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I post new content. So today's video is all about what I got for my birthday. Actually, part of what I got for my birthday. So let's just proceed to this lovely unboxing. All right. So here it is. So let me tell you this. So this is really not a true unboxing, because I unboxed it on my Instagram on my birthday because it was a gift. So I had a birthday dinner and this was presented to me in the birthday dinner, and I opened it in front of my friends. So it's not a true unboxing, and yeah. So let me tell you this. So I've been wanting a new Chanel bag for a little while now. I wanted purple, I wanted gold, I wanted white, and I wanted like a mintish green, you know. So this gift here, I really do appreciate it because it was one of the colors I was looking to get. So I'm so excited about this. So I'm just going to show you the video of when the bag was presented to me, when the true unboxing started. Okay, so I'm going to put it right here so you can look at it. Okay. So yeah, so in that video, that was me on my birthday with my friend presented it back to me. It was from a special person. So my friend was presenting it on their behalf.
So you know how they're always like, you love her, you adore her, you know that old thing. So your cousin said,
yeah. So that's my friend Sarah.
if you love her, Chanel.
And she was just saying, you know, they say if you love her, you adore her. But forget adore. She said, if you love her, the person who presented the gift, who the gift was from, said, if you love her, Chanel her. Anyways, yeah. So that was the video of me unboxing it. So that was the very first time I laid my eyes on that beautiful purchase. That gift was just so beautiful. The color was perfect. It was really what I wanted. And it was just so lovely. And the size to perfection. You know, I've had, I have other Chanel bags, but those ones are a lot bigger. So this is my actual first mini Chanel bag, like small Chanel bag, because the other ones I usually like a lot more bigger. So yeah, so this size was just so perfect, you know. So let me just go ahead and show you this bag on the video. So yeah. So I know the place looks different, but this is where I live. It's my apartment. So, and here, so I'm just gonna take this out. Okay. So like I said, it's already been unboxed and loosened, and yeah. And then I did another video of this bag, of me just doing some content for TikTok, for my Instagram. Where do I start from? Okay, right here. Okay. So here it is. Okay. Okay. That's the bag, is right here. Okay. And just gonna bring this out. Here is the bag. It's lilac purple. I hope you can see the color because of the light. I'm gonna bring it closer. Here it is. This right here is just the tags. So it is the Chanel mini flap bag. If you are wondering the name of it, it's so, so, so beautiful. I'm gonna open it up right here. Okay. So, okay. All right. So here's the bag. Here is the inside. It has a little pocket here for like your cards. And it's also lilac purple inside. And you know, Chanel's, they don't really do the cards anymore. So it has the chip, a little gold chip thing right here inside. And here is how long it is. It has like a nice long strap in gold, of course. It had to be gold because I love gold. So it's gold hardware. Here is the CC right here. It's like a woven pattern. Oh, come, bring it closer. Yeah, you see? That's it. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, now you can see the true color. Okay, so anyways, the bag is just so, so, so beautiful. So according to my friend, she said it's the new season Chanel 2024 collection. And it's, yeah. She said that was what the essay said. That's the 2024 collection because my friend helped. My special, I don't know what to say, but my special boo. I'm not trying to, I don't want y'all thinking I'm showing off. But anyways, my friend Sarah helped pick it up. And she said the essay did say it was the new season Chanel. And yeah, it's perfect. And then the size, let me show you. Here's my iPhone Pro Max. See how big it is? And it fits in easily. Right here. Easily. Card holder, see? There's still a lot of space inside. Card holder fits too. And so much more I feel like to fit inside this bag. It's just so like perfect, you know? And you see? Let's see. Okay. I have my card holder I could put in here, but it's not right here. It's not next to me. So I would have put it in here for you guys. But you can see there's still a lot of space in it. Still a lot of space. And yeah, I can fit my card holder, my car keys, lip gloss, lip liners. Like, it's spacious. Like, the Chanel minis, this is bigger than the minis. If you wanted to measure this, I did look at the dimensions, and this is about 8.3 inches wide. It's between 8.3 or 8.5, I can't remember. But yeah, so it's pretty big. It's bigger than the Chanel mini, so it's a good size. It's a perfect size if you ask me, you know. And if I was comparing this to the mini, the size of this, I prefer this size because my stuff fits in and it's very spacious. Like, a lot of stuff fits in. You put your car keys, like I said, you put your little card holder, you could put your lip gloss, like, it's beautiful. And of course, it's lambskin, like the leather. It's not caviar, it's lamb, so it's delicate, you know. But the color is so pretty. And because it's a light color, you have to be careful because of that color transfer, you know. But anyways, what is there not to love about this bag? Let me just hold it so you can see. Okay, gonna put it right here so you see how it looks. Here it is. And I could wear it crossbody if I wanted to. And this is how far it drops. See? So it's perfect. Okay, I'm gonna take it off. Okay. All right. Anyways, that's it for this unboxing. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. I do appreciate y'all, especially just for sticking with me from the beginning of my YouTube channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love y'all. Mwah!
Don't forget to subscribe.